Okay, let's do a quick recap. We talked about the team. If you've not seen that video, check it up. The journey so far, the value, the market, timing, exchanges, disruptiveness, then the orders, and then I'm now talking about token distribution. Now, I told you, if you get it right from the beginning, you'll be able to make very good decisions for yourself. If not, I don't know what to say. So let's talk about the token distribution. How many tokens will be sold during the ICO? So you want to check. You already know that cryptocurrencies, they are finite. It's not something that is infinite. So they are finite, meaning there is a specific number of tokens that will ever exist. So how they go about it is different, but whether they sell all of them is during the ICO or how they distribute it, it does not matter. But we know that if the number of tokens that were created originally were 20 million, as long as that token exists, there will be 20 million of that token. So you want to check how many of those coins will be selling. So you want to check that. So no, how many of those coins will ever exist? Check that up. Then you'll be asking how many of those coins will not be selling, because there is of no use for a company to be selling, let's say, 90% of their share of their tokens during the ICO. It's very bad. It shows that the company may not do very well. So you want to check how many are being sold. How many are being sold during the ICO? Then you want to check again how many are being distributed among the team. So the staff, those in the team, from the CEO, the developers, how many is being shared, how many tokens are being shared between themselves for the staffs? How many are being given to partners? You want to look at all these stuff. How many are being given to partners? Those who partnered financially or bringing expertise and the rest of them. How many are being given to the partners? And then you want to check how many coins are being distributed to the advisors in the teams. Those things are very, very essential. Then you want to also check the bounty campaign. Bounty campaign has to do with the marketing side of it. Most of these platforms, they go beyond doing things like traditional media and the rest of them. They bring people who help spread the word, because it's not enough to have a very good product. You need marketing. So how many coins are you using in marketing? Because if you want to do maybe you don't want to pay the people in dollars and the rest of them. So how many coins are you giving to people in marketing? Like you have the Bitcoin talk, you have Twitter, Facebook, YouTubers, Reddit, and the rest of them. You want to check how many coins are being distributed to the people who are involved in the bounty campaign. Then you want to check what will be done with the unsold coins. Are they going to burn them up, or are they going to just leave them? So you want to know about those stuffs. And then the issue of burning. There are times where a company buys some of the after they've done with the ICO, maybe after a certain period of time, they buy these coins from the public and then they burn them. So that it decreases the number over time and it increases the value. So you want to check with the issues of burning. So I hope you've been able to understand the token distribution stuff. I'll see you in the next video.